Let's find out on how I got this big beautiful clock on my Samsung lock screen that even Samsung themselves doesn't know about this method. First off, you need to download Lockstar and Clock Face, which you can get from the Good Luck application on the Galaxy Store. Second, after installing those two apps, open Lockstar application and change the scale of the clock to 0. Then go back and turn off Lockstar. Go to Samsung's default lock screen and here choose this exact clock style. And make it big as it gets. And click Save. Next, go back to Lockstar and enable it. And here choose this clock style, and as you can see, the clock now is bigger than usual. I found this trick by accident, so get it because Samsung could remove this method in the future. And make sure to subscribe for similar exclusive tricks just like this one. Last but not least, move the notifications icon under the fingerprint sensor for a cleaner look. And just hit save. And also share your lock screen setup on my Discord, the link is in the description down below. After this lock screen customization, I suggest you to get this effect on your Samsung keyboard by watching this next video on screen.